What's up guys, this is Nikhil from MediaJack and we are back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to count down our list of top 10 analytic tools you should have in your arsenal. Before we begin, we post new videos every week. So be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. First we have for you is Google Analytics. Whether you're a website owner or have an e-commerce store or have a blog, it is very important to know how many people are visiting your website per day. To do this, we have Google Analytics. Google Analytics is arguably one of the most popular tracking tools available. The insight it provides consists of valuable information about what the user is doing on your website, what devices are they using and where are their users coming from. Not only this, it also provides you with insights on real-time data. To set up Google Analytics is a fairly simple job. But before we begin, you need to have a Google account. Once you log into your Google account, you'll have to go to analytics.google.com. Once you're here, you need to create a new account for your website, where you'll be prompted to fill in all the necessary details. Once you fill in the necessary details, Google will be able to generate a tracking code for you. This tracking code is called the G tag. This tracking code has to be installed on your website. This can be easily done by simply adding it to the head tag of your HTML structure. Once this is done, Google will be able to track your website. The insight it provides will be valuable to easily convert and increase your conversion rate. Google Analytics is a free tool to use, so make sure to take advantage of this great tool. Google Alerts is the easiest and the quickest tool you can use to track mentions and get alerts. Google sends you an alert every time a certain criteria appears in a new web page on the internet. This can be delivered to you weekly, daily, or in real time. You can specify whether you want to track mentions in news, blog, books, videos, discussions, or all of the above. To help you understand the concept of alerts, let me give you an example. Let's say you'd want to know every time Reliance Jio is mentioned on the internet. You simply create an alert for this by clicking on Reliance Jio or by editing it and filling up your own area of interest. For this example, I'm going to stick with Reliance Jio. Once you select Reliance Jio, it will show you everywhere it is recently mentioned. So currently I can see it is mentioned in a news article. Below that also it is mentioned. So every time on the internet this particular criteria is mentioned, Google will send you an alert. This is an awesome feature by Google. So make sure to take advantage of this to improve your web presence. It is not easy to find an analytic tool which captures who and what your visitors are doing on your website. For this, we have Hotjar, a simple, powerful, easy solution for deep analytics. Hotjar can be set up in seconds. Hotjar gives you a real picture of your website's performance. It helps you determine what catches visitors' attention and what does not. With all the data, you can bring a positive and powerful change in your web presence. There are two main features of Hotjar. One is heat maps. Heat maps gives you a real picture of what people are clicking on a particular web page. This is very important to make improvements to your UI and your UX for a better user experience. The second feature which Hotjar provides us is recording. Recording allows you to capture what the people are looking for on your website. and engaging on your website, helping you get closer to your customers. It is fairly simple to set up Hotjar on your website. Hotjar comes with a price tag. To look at the pricing for Hotjar, we have two basic pricing. One is a free plan by Hotjar. This plan is for web enthusiasts and students. If you fall under this category, make sure to take advantage of this great free service. If you do not fall under this category, then give Hotjar a try at $29 a month. It's a great product to give, and do make sure to give it a try. Google Webmaster Tools is one of the most important tools to have on your website. This service by Google crawls your website for information and keywords and then indexes your pages on the Google search engine. Checking for keywords users have typed to land on your website. This allows Google to specify what keywords are important on your website, and when people are searching for the same keywords on the search engine, to show them your website in their search results. This can be easily set up in just a few easy steps. To begin with this, you will first need to have a Google account. Sign in with your Google account on www.google.com/webmaster. Once you get access to this particular page, click on sign in. You'll be prompted to add a new property. A property is nothing but the URL or the domain to your website. For an example, www.notreal.com is an example of what you would require to type in here. Once you type in your own domain, click on add. Since this is a dummy domain which I've entered, I cannot go and click on add. So I'm gonna click on cancel. Once this domain is added to Google, Google will send you a verification file. This verification file is an HTML document which has to be uploaded to the root directory of your website. This can be easily done using any FTP client or even using the cPanel of your web host. Once this file is uploaded, Google will be able to verify your website and if you have access to it. Once Google knows that you have the right access to this particular domain, Google will be able to index your website in a few hours. This could take up to weeks or days, depending upon the content on your website. Once the content is indexed by Google, Google will then serve your content in their search results to the user, allowing the user to access your website through Google search engine. Heap Analytics has a unique approach. This captures all user interactions and then analyzes them. The platform is easy to install, and once the code is installed onto your website, it will automatically start collecting information about user set information such as clicks, page views, gestures, form submissions, and more. This system is loaded with powerful features including data capture, event visualizer, user search, and interactions. Let's take a look at the Heap's pricing structure. There are two pricing plans in Heap. One, the basic, which is free, and the other one, which is premium. The premium has a custom pricing which changes according to your needs. You can definitely give the free pricing a try out. To show you how this is done, let's get started. Once you click on Get Started, Heap will prompt you to log in. Since I'm already logged in, it is showing me how do I proceed from here. To install Heap on your website, it is fairly simple. It can be easily done if you're using a third-party tool, such as WordPress, Joomla, or any other CMS. So there are separate instructions for that. If not, if you're just using a normal website or a PHP application, then it's easily installed through the script tag which is provided by Heap. This script tag has to be pasted in the head tag on each page of your site. Once this is done, Heap will get to work. Next on our list, we have MixPanel. MixPanel is an advanced solution that can be deployed on both mobile and web. While most other analytical tools have a different approach, MixPanel's approach is by measuring and analyzing the actions or the steps taken by people who have entered your system or application. With MixPanel, an action can be anything. For instance, it can range from somebody uploading an image, streaming a video, or sharing a post on your website or application. MixPanel was designed and developed to enable companies and organizations, regardless of size, to monitor the efficiency and analyze user behavior. This particular functionality was once received for large, heavy funded organizations, but thanks to MixPanel, customer behavior tracking is now a breeze to companies large, small, or individuals. MixPanel has tons of features. Let's go ahead and check out their pricing structure. MixPanel comes with 3 basic pricing. The first plan, being the free plan, is $0 a month. The second plan is a starter plan. It's $9.99 a year, and then there is an enterprise level plan. Depending upon your need, go ahead and select the one which you think that fits your needs. For this demonstration, I'm gonna stick with the free plan. Since I've already selected this free plan, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the dashboard looks like. It's a fairly simple process of installing MixPanel onto your web application or website. This gives you a fair idea about how this works. As you can see, there are many options which this provides. Since we do not have any data which is recorded, we cannot see any graphs here. But I hope this helps you out if you're choosing between MixPanel or any other analytical tool. Cyfe is an all-in-one dashboard that helps users monitor and analyze data scattered across their different online services. It has a bunch of pre-installed services like Google services like Gmail, AdSense, AdWords, Google Analytics, Google Alerts, and a much more. There are many more services other than Google. You can have YouTube, WordPress, iTunes, LinkedIn, MailChimp, PayPal, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all under the same dashboard. Cyfe is a free dashboard and comes with a premium plan as well. For the purpose of this demo, I have signed up for the free plan to show you how this is done. So let me go ahead and log into my dashboard to show you how this looks like. Once you have logged in successfully, you'll be greeted with a Cyfe dashboard. This is what a normal dashboard looks like. And these are the widgets that you can set up. As you can see here, I've already configured my Gmail with Cyfe. Let me go ahead and remove it for right now, and I'll re-add this to show you how this is done. As you can see, I have YouTube, Twitter, Google Analytics, and iframe widget. I'm going to go ahead and remove the ones I don't need for right now, and just go ahead and install my email, since I require my email on my dashboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a widget, and go select email and add the Gmail icon. Place it here and click on configure widget. You would require to configure each and every widget individually so that you can add more accounts. Once I select the account which I want to access, I click on save widget. Shortly, I will get all my emails under the same roof by using this all-in-one dashboard. This comes with a free plan, so definitely it's worth a try. Here is a powerful product for A/B testing. A/B testing is a method of comparing two versions of a web page or an app against each other to determine which one performs better. There can be no other app to do this better than Optimizely. Optimizely provides a better understanding of which app or web page works better than the other one. Optimizely is used by most of the corporate companies for A/B testing their own servers and web apps. A/B testing is a feature which provides you with the insight of what your customers or the user prefers more than another one. So if you have a web application or a website where you feel you can have two options, and between the two options which one would people prefer more, then this is the right tool for you. Let's go check out Optimizely's plans. Optimizely comes with several plans. Web experiment plans have A/B testing tools and tons of other features as well. The good thing about Optimizely is that it comes with a 30-day trial period where you can give it a try and try out the application before buying it. So definitely guys, give this thing a try. If you require a 30-day free purchase, you can go ahead and make that. It is a very powerful tool which provides a dreadful insight to make sure what your customers are liking more. Next on our list we have CrazyEgg. This is an amazing web optimizing tool that lets you get an insight of customer behavior on your website. CrazyEgg tracks customer behaviors using heat maps, screenshots, and allowing you to see how they interact on your website and what makes them leave. With a fair simple setup by copying and pasting your code snippet into your website, you'll be up and running with CrazyEgg in no time. It provides tools like A/B testing to test two websites or web pages against each other, snapshots to see what people are seeing and doing on your website, along with heat maps. Also shows recording. Where do people get stuck? What are they doing on your website? And what makes them leave? This gives you an opportunity to improve and provide better service to your customers. CrazyEgg has paid plans. Let's go ahead and check them out. There are 4 plans in CrazyEgg. Starting with the most popular one is the Plus plan. That is $79 a month. Then the Pro one, that is $189 a month. The Standard is $49 a month, and the Basic plan is $29 a month. If you're a digital marketing campaign runner, this one is the right tool for you. SEM SEMRush provides you with the details of digital marketing campaigns running on different platforms under the same roof, comparing these SEM campaigns and giving you a recommendation of what is working best for you. SEMRush comes with 3 different pricing plans. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. As you can see, there are 3 pricing structures out here. For the demonstration of this video, I have gone ahead and signed up for a free plan. To show you how the dashboard looks like, this is an overview of the dashboard, which gives you a brief idea of the communities you are a part of, upcoming webinars, blog posts, and news articles. If we were able to help you out selecting and shortlisting the right tool for you, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more great content, subscribe to our channel.